Hello everyone, today we will be unboxing the Samsung Key wireless charging stand for their flagship phones that has wireless charging. Here are the sides. You can do stand up, it's got fast charge and compatible with Key or Qi standard charging and wireless and fast whatever. Here are the specs and you can pause the video and read all this. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Okay. So you see we have to open up this. This is annoying. Oh, duh. You have to... And then get this side. Now oops, not good. Now I don't have good lighting. So I'm using my flashlight on my phone as lighting. I know it's stupid, but gotta start somewhere. Okay. And then get this side. There we go. I know it's a little oofed. Okay. I think I can just... There we go. Awesome. Just an empty box. Here we go. It says fast charging on there. It's nice. Feels great. Now, the funny thing is, I read, saw videos, did all that stuff, and they said it didn't include a charger because they assumed that you had one. But this, was this USB-C? Well, let's open it and find out. This is, I think, USB-C. Not bad. My Switch has that, so that's fine. Yep, USB-C. There it is. Okay. Looks really fancy. I guess it is. And then here's the little quick start guide. I think I know how to use this. You just put your phone on it and it does the charging. Here's the charging brick, I guess they want to call it. Really nice. If I can open this, that'd be cool. How do I? Okay. The way they package this is really weird. I don't know how to open this. Oh, it's peel right here. Okay. Probably not the best way of doing it, but there we go. And that's it. Really simple. Nothing crazy. Got your, and then we'll plug this in. Now I think you can, let's see, I want to break this. Oh yeah, there's a little plastic right here. Almost forgot that. Okay, there's one right here. So there we go. So I think, I don't know how to, I think you can do the flat way. I gotta figure that out. Oh wait, here's the quick start guide. Let me read this. Oh. Can you even do flat? I don't know if you can. I mean, it's fine if you can't, but I thought you could. Oh, it's a stand-up charger. Okay, so I guess you can't make it go flat. Yeah, you can't do flat. That's okay. I mean, this is more of like a place on your desk kind of thing. So I guess that's cool. So we'll plug that in. There we go. And then that's it, pretty much. We just plug that in and plug it to our phone and charge our phone. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.